everyone, thanks for joining me in my life on a hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe, and up top is my Patreon account, which is me talking at my Patreon site, which is patreon.com/nailroomtalk. And over in that site, I talk about different topics. Right now the nails that I'm doing will be the same nails that I do over there, but different topic. And this one is going to be vampirina nails, because my cousin had a birthday party and the theme was vampirina. So the topic on that Patreon site was, how much is too much basically to spend for a kid's birthday, and do you go all out, yes or no? And so my topic there, in my opinion, is over there. Now remember, I have two boys, 16 and 12, so go check that out and pick a tier, and the $20 tier will, you could see all the videos and the topics. So anyways, I end up wearing this for her birthday party, and I don't know, I'm like a big kid at a little kid's birthday party with vampirina nails, like really. And so I'm just using the marble effect to just get a marble color with the purple and white, and try to match the theme for the birthday party. So the nails will be decorated with decals that I made. It's a special decal paper, and you basically print on it with regular inkjet printer. Let it sit for 24 hours so the ink can dry, because then later on you have to go, well, before that you print it, let it sit for maybe 5 minutes so the ink can dry, and then you spray it with that adhesive, and that you sit overnight for 24 hours, so that when it goes in water the next day or the 24-hour after, that it doesn't the ink doesn't separate and the image disappear. So the only thing with this paper, don't get me wrong, I love it, but it's an 8x10, and you have to utilize all the sheets, because then if you cut out one little image, you're going to waste all this awesome paper. So make sure what I do, I think of different, because I love Smurf, I love all these different characters. So I wait for, and I try to put all of them on one 8x10, and then I cut them when I need them. So I am just going in with some glitter, because of course it's not me if I don't have my bling, glitter, rhinestone, whatever it is, I need it. And this turned out to be a press-on nails, and it lasted literally a whole week. And press-on nails, depends on how you put them on, can last very long once you're careful. And it's no different than when you wear an acrylic or hard gel, because you just don't want to slam a car door. You want to be careful you don't hurt yourself. But like maybe for washing your hair, it's a different pressure you would use to your scalp when you have on acrylic or build a gel, or of course press on. You don't want to scratch too hard. Anyways, so basically, even with doing dishes, you have to make sure that, same with the acrylic or hard gel, and make sure that there's no spot that's not covered, so that water seep in and cause it to start lift. And at least with this situation here, if it does start lifting, you could take it off, so before it decides to create a mold on your nail bed. But these little stand I got from Etsy, I'm sorry, not Etsy, AliExpress, and I got it there. I have another one that's checkered, but these I love better, because you could separate them and put them in the lamp as like this, or pull them off individually. I separate them like this, like 5 on the right, 5 on the left. So I went to the birthday party for my little cousin, and so this is her, that image right there was the one I think that was on her invitation. And so I'm soaking it in the water, and you can see, guys, it is not bleeding at all. And make sure you cut your decal as close as possible to the edge of the image, because like these decal paper are pretty good to work with. They're really, really, really thin, so these are perfect to work with. But some decal that I've worked with is not, and they come out really thick, like thick paper, like clear paper, and you have to like cut it literally to the edge, so that when you curve it, it doesn't stick up. You try to fill the nail. So I end up doing two different, I think for the ring finger, I ended up doing on a purple, which you can see the image disappeared, and I end up doing one on the white on white. So I eventually switched it up, and because whatever you want to use decal, it's best to have like a white background because you could tell the image is going to disappear in there. But I did end up switching it up. So I still have these nails today. They're on my display board, so I could pull them out anytime and wear them again, and they're beautiful still. And I just used the press-on nails adhesive, and I also add the same glue that you would use to adhere your tip for when you're doing a extension. So look at the final image and the final nails, and they were really cute. I love these, and my little cousin was like looking at me like, why are you wearing vampirina on your nails? But when she gets older, she's gonna get to know that I'm the cray cray cousin. So but anyways, guys, enjoy yourselves, and if you have any question, please go ahead and comment. And like again, I love how they came out, but I did have to switch up the nails with the white because I wanted them to stand out more. But look at that, that is gorgeous. And even though it disappeared, it still looked nice. It was really still cute. So it's not even like, oh my god, it looks so bad. But but I'm showing you there that it can disappear depending on what color. Sometimes I see that people still keep the purple, like I have the purple background right there, but right behind where the image is going to go, they put that section white. But I don't remember if I did show in this that I switched it up with the white background and how it looked with the white background. I'm trying to remember, but either way, it'll come up pretty soon, I guess, in a video if I did. So anyway, stick around and watch tomorrow's video. I'll be getting prep for Easter. And this is the image, and like I said, make sure, see, I switched up. Yep, I know I did. I switched it up and I put it on a white background, and look at that. Which one did you guys like? Do you like the one with the purple or the one with the white? Let me know in a comment below which was your favorite. I still keep those the same because most of the time you don't see the thumbs anyway, and I didn't want to go redo another set. Anyways, these are full cover tips, full covered. And yeah, do you like them with the white or do you like them with the purple? Gosh, these nails are gorgeous. I need to go put those on again. No, but tomorrow I'm putting up Easter pedicure. So on my Patreon side, I'm talking at the end. I'm showing you how they look on my nails, and just saying goodbye and things like that. So if you want to go see what the topic and how my opinion on going all out on a kid's birthday party and what to expect and what you should and shouldn't do, and if you should do it or whatever, go see over there and listen to what I have to say over there. I have a lot more videos on there. So again, please don't forget to subscribe here and hit that notification button so that whenever I have videos up, you'll be the first, because I'm planning to start have a shout out, whoever is my first person to comment. I'm going to start do that, but I just don't want to start doing it when it's just like one person commenting. So leave a comment, whatever the comment is, and after more people start commenting, then I'm gonna do a shout out on the video and do that on like verbally on my next video. So but if you want to hear what I'm saying right there in that Patreon site, go support me there at patreon.com/nailroomtalk, and over there is all nails, and over here I do everything. So bye bye now, take care.